Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my 7 days turmeric mask challenge. So a little background on why I decided to do this mask. I suffer from fungal acne, and recently I treated it and it left a lot of dark spots, especially on my forehead. So I was looking for something to help me clear these dark spots, and I came across a turmeric mask. So I decided to give it a try for 7 days to see if it really works. So if that's something you're interested in, please make sure you keep watching this video till the end. So let's get into it.
So this is how my skin looks like on day 1. That is right before I started the 7 days turmeric challenge. This is how my skin looked. You can see those little bumps. My chin is darker than the rest of my face. My forehead has a lot of dark spots. So if you don't know what fungal acne is, I have 2 videos on my channel explaining that. They're just little bumps all over your face. It's not actually like the normal acne. It just makes the skin very congested. So yeah, this is how I make my mask. I just use 3 ingredients: turmeric, of course, honey, and then a lime. Actually, I used half of the lime. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and mix all of them together. You want to make sure your mixture is not too watery, because turmeric can get very messy. So just get it to a really nice consistency that doesn't run all over your face. When I'm done with the mixture, I'll go ahead and apply the paste onto my face using a makeup brush that I don't use anymore. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You want to make sure you cover your entire face with it. I also apply to my neck. I kept this on for about 2 hours because I was doing other stuffs, and then later I had to go wash it off. Yeah, I washed it off with warm clean water. So after washing it off, this is how my face looks. You can see my face is looking yellowish. I think it's a turmeric stain. So yeah, I'll go ahead again and just wash my face just to get off the yellow stuff. This is how my face looks after washing it off again. So yeah, this is my face after day 1 treatment. I'm not going to talk a lot again. I just go ahead and show you guys the other days so you can see the results after applying and washing off the mask. This is my face on day 2 after washing off the mask. My face is still soaking wet. So yeah, this is my face dry. You could still see the acne, the fungal acne, but at least I feel like my face is getting a little brighter. This video is not to cure fungal acne, but just to get my face to be brighter. The reason I didn't talk through in the video is because I had a cold and I lost my voice. So on day 3, I thought my voice was better, so I tried to speak, but then I sounded horrible. So that's why you don't hear me talking in the videos. So yeah. On day 4, I went to my mom's place. That's why the setting is different. So yeah, I just did the same thing, applied and washed. Finally, this is day 7. I didn't film on day 6. I just wanted to do day 7, the last day. So yeah, this is day 7, and I'm gonna apply the paste all over my face as usual, and then let it dry for maybe 1 to 2 hours. I always apply this when I'm doing something else, so it stays on my face a lot longer. So after applying, I put on my glasses because I was watching something on the TV. Your girl is blind, so I need to put on my glasses to see. So yeah, this is my face after I washed off the mask on day 7. So what I can say is that with this 7 days challenge, I feel like my face got a lot brighter as compared to before, even though the spots are not completely gone, but you see that they are faded a little bit. So I think if I use this like for a month, I'll see greater results. I do love this mask, but the only cons is that it stains a lot. It can get a lot messy. So yeah, apart from that, it's fine.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.